Hey buddies, what's up? PC Moderators here. In today's video, I'll be going to show you that how you can your phone, whether it is Android or iOS, with Among Us Reactor task, exactly like that one. So this is the Among Us Reactor task. So before I get up the vent and like this video, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the recent uploads and notification on my channel. Okay guys, so as you can see here, if you have done the Among Us Reactor task, so and here we go. On the left hand side it has a black screen that shows the sequence, and you should have to type it on the right side in the correct way. Okay, so once you have done that, the reactor task will be done. So the lock is exactly same like this one. Okay guys, so in this way you can lock your phone, and I will be going to show you everything. Okay, and here we go. So the task is completed, and to get this, as you can see here, I have entered the incorrect password, and it shows me the message that you are not the owner of this phone. Okay, so we will be going to install this, and once you have entered the correct code, it will unlock your phone. So to download it, make sure open the Play Store and search for the Among Us lock. I have already installed this application. As you can see here, the same is available for the iOS as well. Okay, open the iOS store, and from there you can download and get it. Okay, so now the application has been already installed on my device. From here you can preview the lock screen, that how it looks on the lock screen when your phone is in the is locked. So as you can see here, it shows that enter the new password, and here you have to also confirm this as well. Okay, so the password did not match. Okay, it will show you the message like this one. Now I'm gonna enter the new password. Okay, and here we go. So it will also give you the option that security question to choose whether when you forgot your password, so you can reset it from here. So I'm gonna enter here the favorite question, and that is the cricket, and save it. Okay guys, so the password has been now set, and here we go. In this way you can install this in order to lock your phone and like the reactor task of the Among Us. Okay guys, so from here you can change the theme and the text. So this was the message when you enter the incorrect password, so it shows that message. You can customize it from there. Okay, and the next one is change the password. So from here you can change the password. Okay, so in this way you can install it. Still, if you have any question regarding this application or you have any problem, let me know in the comment section, and I will reply you as soon as possible. Okay, so this is the simple preview of that one, and you can get it on your device. Okay, recently I'm using the Android device, and it will be exactly same like this one. Okay, so I hope channel. Okay, and see you in the next tutorial.